Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and an unboxing on this ring, smoke, and carbon monoxide listener for your ring alarm system. So here's the device, here's the mounting bracket, and we get some screws to mount it also. If we turn it around back, we got to pull this little tab here that activates the battery. It does have a battery inside it. Now this does work with the Z-Wave technology. That means it'll work with the Ring Base Station Generation 2 or the newer one, the Alarm Pro. This has a built-in Wi-Fi router, so this is the Alarm Pro base station. It'll work with both of those. So this is a listening device. There's also a light on the front, and this will notify you whenever it hears a CO detector going off, like that buzzing or a smoke alarm. Let's go over measurements. This is measuring about 3 inches, sticks out from the wall about 1 inch. Now we can change the battery, just rotate this. Let's take a look on the inside. There's the type of battery. It's a CR123A. Again, when I pull this, that's going to take the plastic out between the battery and that device. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Now it knows when that's a micro switch. It knows whenever the cover is off. Let's put the cover on, rotate it back like that. There's also a button on the bottom. This is what you're going to press during the setup process. And again, you're going to mount this. There's an arrow. Smoke alarm this way. So what that means, they're wanting the listener to go over here. Then you're going to slide this on from the top. Put those little ears in. Then it slides down. But they want the listener to the right. Okay, so it's really important. They want this 6 inches or fewer away from your actual smoke and CO2 detector. And that's what this little arrows are right here. That is exactly 6 inches. So this device has to be 6 inches from your CO2 detector or carbon or smoke detector. And that's what 6 inches is right here on this sheet. We can measure that. Yeah, that's 6 inches. So again, 6 inches. This cannot be mounted like in a different room and expect for it to hear it. Again, 6 inches. And if you want to do a factory data reset, you're going to press and hold this button for 10 seconds. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.